Hey everyone, let's make garlic bread. Let's start with our ingredients. Starting with a half cup of butter, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons grated Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon dried basil, 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano, and 2 cloves of garlic minced. And finally, your bread of choice. For today's recipe, I went with French bread. Today's recipe is super easy. All you're doing is combining all the ingredients together to create your own garlic bread schmear. Here's a few things to keep in mind when making your schmear. Be sure to give your herbs a little bit of leaven just by gently crushing them with your hand. When you do that, it releases the natural oils in the herb and it just helps create a stronger flavor. Second tip, always try to buy the best spices and herbs that you can whenever you're creating a recipe like this where it's really all about the seasonings. Once the mixture is complete, it's time to schmear on the schmear. Just take your favorite bread, cut it however you like, and then you're just gonna schmear it on. Schmear really is the best word, isn't it? Then you're going to put your garlic bread under the broiler. It's only gonna take like maybe 2 minutes, not even. Watch it like a hawk. Stuff like this can burn very easily. You can also just bake if you don't want to broil. Just bake it like 350 until you get the desired look that you want. This garlic bread recipe is so good. Some of the best garlic bread I've ever had. If you have any schmear left over, you can make even more garlic bread, or you can just get creative and see where you use it in your kitchen. If you liked today's video, please like and subscribe. Also leave a comment just letting me know what you think, how you feel. And that's it for today. Have a good one and I'll see you next time.